No, I never know Jayden.
I'm already, I'm telling you again, you know. Blamdem.
Sorry.
Why time like you and Blamdem say, yo, Jayden, come live.
So, man, I make him get lion from them, man. Make you all of them get lion, bro. If I them have link with Nicki Minaj and something bad, man, then keep it for themselves and no one share. Me make every one of them get lion.
Yeah, man, right now, Blamdem, but I make a discount. Don't this
Blamdem.
Eh?
You know, me get no lion.
No, okay, now I'm playing match. I have to come match with you and anything.
Oh, thank you. Somebody purchased the laundry hamper.
Send me a request and make you get 2 lion, man. I want you, man. But say you come send me 2 lion with you.
Somebody purchased the laundry hamper.
Blamdem, my friend, man.
I'm not friend of gift to them coming out look nothing. Right, good chat. I'm about to come.
Big me the people
support me.
Yeah, I'm a do good, but with siblings, I say they need it.
Guys, no go
support. So, your problem for me support you?
The wish list in the bio, guys.
But Jayden, we get bad mind.
Man.
You have to talk for Jayden, not get bad mind.
You can't get bad mind.
Yeah, come we get bad mind and them thing then, you know. We're full of bad mind.
Yeah, so I feel like
true.
Jayden can't feel it, you know?
True.
It's too full of bad mind.
No, you're not bad mind more than me. You bad mind more than you.
True.
Oh, them by the salt and pepper shaker. Them by the salt and pepper shaker. Thank you, guys.
Them by Shana. Yo.
Baby yourself, Jayden.
Which one, Chin?
Yo,
TikTok like you like Shana, you know.
No, but me don't know if I like her, if I don't like her or not. But we are dealing with business. We are dealing with business. When a business time, When a foolishness.
Okay.
Come, guys, support the wish list. Thank you for everybody who's supporting the wish list, guys. Thank you so much. I'm not really doing a big one. Guys, me telling you something, Jayden never have no faith in that one. Him telling not liking. So look at him and prove him wrong. Come on, guys, keep proving him wrong. Remember saying the toothbrush, guys. When I say the brushing teeth. I want to say it. So remember saying need the toothbrush. I'm sure the people like you, Jayden. Why you think people don't like you?
How them buy?
Them buy the silverware set. Them a buy, man. Them buy.
Yeah, CJ, one word. Them sell Crown. You see it? And them sell Lamborghini too, yeah?
$1 big mix kind.
Where's a big mix?
Somebody said about big something, big mix love you a thing, mix kind.
Which mix?
No, you?
Which mix that?
You purchased something through government, thank you.
Which mix?
Come on, guys, support the wish list.
Fabbi.
When I start it here?
Well, I soon start it. Fabbi.
Yeah.
The girl with the meet here the last time. I can't call her.
Alright, my call her.
You call her, please. I'll come back.
Guys, wish list Saturday, guys. Wish list Saturday. In Jayden bio. Wish list Saturday. Jayden buy the body wash, man. They really want you to smell good.
Jesus.
So guys, go buy the toothbrush now and the water pick. And no say love straw of Indian teeth them. Go buy the toothbrush and the water pick. Mrs. Turner didn't the person there talk you know, that's one that nice. Mrs. Turner.
In the gym, so the background is loud.
You have a question?
Turner.
No, it was just to big up Jayden, and I'm gonna get something off the wish list as soon as I leave the gym.
Turner, me I beg you, do not buy a toothbrush. Buy something else.
Buy toothpaste.
No, I'm not buying no toothbrush. I'll probably buy something for the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you in advance.
The towels buy already?
No, they're still there.
Okay, alright.
Okay, thank you.
No worries. Alright, bye.
Them celebrations, jagger, suck your more. Jagger, you're a capper, batty boy. You have up man
Take
market
down Miss
span.
Turner, Jayden. Take down Mrs.
Yeah, because I
Turner.
don't know how to come out of this one.
Mrs. Turner, me can't take it down, you know.
How do I take myself down?
You have to go. Just click the X up at top.
Oh, right, I see.
Turner, you single?
She named Mrs. Turner. She named Mrs.
Mrs. Turner, sorry. Because she older than me.
Mrs. That means she not single.
I mean, she's not single, Jayden.
But you don't name Mrs. Lawyer.
Okay, but we're not single either.
No.
All right, guys. Y'all doing good so far. Keep
TikTok.
going. Wish list in the bio, guys. Wish list in the
So
bio.
TikTok Lawyer can't send me a picture, yeah.
Sure. You know, you said my picture the biggest commodity on TikTok, you know? You know, everybody has search for it.
I like still in it. You sound like you're pretty.
No, I'm ugly bad. Come, guys. I don't know if that will come about. We come about the wish list. Me not see no wire brush. What kind of wire brush? Why I need wire brush for?
Lady, nobody come bright yourself when you wire brush
Why I
for.
need wire brush, lady? Him have the brush for clean. Him have the electric scrubber for the bathroom. Why I need wire brush? Why people need wire brush? What them use that for?
Purpose, come here.
Come, guys. Support the wish list, guys.
Roger them a follow, you know.
It's 2024. Why I need a wire brush? 2025.
Taliban.
Can I see I have a wish list?
Purpose.
What's up? Hi,
Purpose.
everyone.
Purpose.
Yes, Jayden.
Yeah, what you buy?
Oh, nothing yet.
I forgot black then.
I'm going now. All right, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Sound pretty though.
Guys, please support the wish list. It's wish list Saturday. Wish list Saturday, guys.
Hey, me read Purpose the fuck.
Jayden house big and empty. Support the wish list.
God, all right.
Because of them say they want house tour. Everybody I keep asking the house tour. Where you gonna show them?
Yo, go
Vanessa, what on?
Oh, it's empty, but you have a house, though.
Exactly, he do have a house, but the people them wants the things now. Cause next to them I say, but Jayden, if you get the house just empty. So
The Rose can't see man out just now.
Yo,
Vanessa.
Yeah?
Yeah, by me.
Yeah, soon
Oh.
see it.
Oh, sorry. Good morning. Sorry for my manners. Good morning.
Yo, Ethan,
Good
man.
morning.
Yeah, we are by.
Even now, you go see it.
Okay.
Where you want me by?
You sing,
the camera. You want the camera, Vanessa?
No. Vanessa probably can't manage that, you know?
Here, there ain't no Vanessa pocket.
Vanessa, boy, where you can't manage, Jerry?
All right.
Yo,
Oh my God, Jayden, you're so nice.
Yo.
You see, Jayden, you're a nice person. You know, you're only bad. You're a really nice person.
TikTok liar.
How that?
Put up it's something there, wire brush.
What's the wire brush for?
Nothing in tongue.
No, sir. That's called a tongue scraper, not a wire brush.
No, man, you need the wire brush, man.
So go buy in a jogger and send it to him.
No, I need the address. You need to scrape off bacteria.
All right. Ask Mix for the address. Mix will give it to you.
Mix, link me, bro. Buy the wire brush.
Me, if you do what? No, how you know so them thing for you? So that me want to know.
And as a man, why you all up in a Jayden mouth, so? And that me want to know.
Yo, big baby, never come to you now, old man. Take me down.
I am supposed to be old and wise and rich, nigga.
Hey, Jayden. I'm super proud of you. So I didn't know that you had a wish list. I already bought you a Ring camera. And
Yeah, boy.
You already bought the Ring camera?
I did.
So you want me to take off the other one, Jayden? She said she already bought it. All right, wait till you get it. I don't know what you want to do. So she already bought the Ring camera. Is the wireless one, what's your name? Just Destiny?
It is.
Okay, that is the wireless one you bought for him?
Yes.
Okay, so Jayden, talk to Jayden.
Take off the Arlo one, Lawyer. Just take off the Arlo one since you already buy one. You can replace that with something else that's needed.
All right.
And Migs, can you tell Mandy to send me back the address, please?
Oh, it's 2 take her done. Should I talk to Migs?
Oh, that's all right, man.
Then
Yeah,
you mute. When I them I say you mute, nobody
He's
hear
not
you.
mute. He's just not saying he's not mute.
Oh, he's not
No,
mute.
man, I'm there, man. No, no, man.
Migs, somebody
Me hear
was
what she
talking
say.
to you about the some.
No, man, me hear what she say.
Oh, you heard her. Okay.
Yeah, man, me hear what she say.
We know
Is
ring camera is
wait,
for the
sir, what else
door.
now? Is that call me Depan?
Ring camera is for the door 1876 Lee, but he have a regular camera for outside around the house, for the perimeter of the house.
No, I'm not on camera now.
No, I tell them because it's 2 cameras there, so I'm telling the ring one is for the door, but we also have one for around the house, the perimeter of the house. They can see right around the house. I'm just explaining to them. It was
The
2
Fabbi there,
different
Fabbi.
camera that was there.
Chill out to Fabbi.
Make him check in with him wife. Right thing that him do.
Come
I
guys,
mix up you. Yo,
come
mix
guys,
up you.
wish list Saturday. Let's support the wish list.
Tell your wife right now, so it is what it is. Right now, you say Fabbi. So Fabbi, what you say?
No, anything me say now that mix us.
Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah, thing you go.
But then that's how it's supposed to be. If you say Fabbi and Migs are gonna say no, somebody else, it's gonna cause problem in your relationship. As a good friends, it's whatever make you happy makes us happier. Just have to be